All right, so let's just do a quick run through on plotting with Excel using scatterplot. Just for anyone who's never done this before with Excel. So this is a very simple example. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at this quadratic formula. First thing we want to do is generate some x values here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a step of 0.01. Once I get 2 entered, I can then highlight them both and just take this corner here and drag down as far as I need. Let's just go ahead and just stop there. But that will automatically create the series for me. I've broken the formula up into 3 columns, and then I'm going to add them all together here. You don't need to do this. You could, of course, just write an equation and have the 1 column. I'm doing this in this example so that I can plot all 4 of these at one time, just show you a multi-plot. Okay, so to get A, I've written my A, B, and C coefficients up here and their values. So I want to use this value here at B1. Now when I copy this value down, it's going to want to move the row number. So what we need to do is put in $signs. This will fix the column and fix the row so that no matter where I copy this, it will always point here. So now when I copy down, you'll notice that it doesn't update the formula. It all stays pointing at B1. So I'll do the same thing here, except now I'm going to go to my coefficient B. Again, I'll put the $signs in, and then I'm going to multiply by X, which is here. Okay. No $signs here because when I copy down, I want this to change. And notice there's a little trick there. All I did was double click. Go ahead and turn that off again. So here I can highlight it. I've got my equation. If I double click here in the corner, I could drag down, but if I double click, it'll automatically run down for the length of my series. So that just makes things convenient. Again, notice it's staying here, always looking at B, even though I'm copying down, but it is updating my row each time. Same thing with CX squared. So let's do this value, put the $signs in, then we're going to go ahead and multiply by my X value squared. Again, double click down. And then we'll go ahead and sum these 3. And we'll double click down. Okay, so those are all my values. So now all I need to do is highlight these. If I want to plot all 4. If I want to plot just some of the columns, then I would highlight the X. I'd hold the Control key and then highlight any other column that I want to plot. Okay, here I'm going to plot them all. Just go up to Insert, go up to Charts here for Scatter, and stick my scatter plot in. And that's it. If you need to adjust the y-axis, just double click on it, and you can adjust the bounds and other things. All right.